What are you doing? Are you getting wet? Look at me. What you doing? Maya, are you supposed to be in the sink? No? Then why are you in there? What are you doing? You're getting wet? Are you supposed to be in there? You are. I don't think you are. Are you washing dishes for Mama? Are you washing the dishes? Are you having fun? Look at, you're having fun? Oh, I'm so glad. Look at Mama and smile. Okay, look at Mama's. Look at my face. Look at me. My eyes, look at Mama. Look at Mama.